So good afternoon, kids. Shall we start with the class? Okay, whoever I am going to ask questions, they are only going to answer me. Okay? So what we did last class? One at a time. Okay, tell me.
We have learned how to create a background and we have learned to write portion block
Sit down. You don't have to eat right now. Okay, you are hungry? Okay, yeah, tell me.
how to use the blocks.
How to use the blocks. Okay. So, yeah, tell
Then
me.
we learned how to change the backdrop, how to change sprite.
Correct. So, what is Scratch? What is Scratch? It's a programming that helps you to create. It's a programming that helps you to design, create any kind of animation, games, right? And what did you learn till now? Last class, did I made you learn about the ball game? Yes? Okay. So your ball is also created. These are the two sprites, what we can see. Everyone is able to see? Yes? Now, the next part will be, we are going to do coding. Now, why am I showing you this video? Because we are going to do the same thing in the class. Okay? See. Okay, what is the first thing? I want my sprite to be in a particular position. Particular position means I have to give x and y coordinate. My pedal will be always at the bottom side. Can you see the pedal? It is in the center and it is at the bottom side center. Now this ball needs to hit that pedal. For that I want first that when green flag click. Now just see this what I am saying. Okay, I'm stopping it here. Just see step by step. Today you can try this at home because we don't have laptops or we don't have desktop here. You can try this.
I have laptop. I have laptop.
Okay, you have it at your home. You don't have it here. Okay, so you can try to take those steps whatever I'm showing. What is the first thing? When green flag clicked. What is this yellow block used for? Last class I taught you, right? What was that? Tell me.
To dance something.
To move, no.
Then to give motion to the thing when the green flag is clicked.
I mean, not even I would say motion. Why do we use this yellow block, event block? This event block helps to give action to your sprite, action to occur. So last class I taught you why is it so important event block? You know event block, right? This is the event block. Why is it that important? Event block helps to give action to your sprite. Now when I'm using event, what is the event block? When green flag click, go to x value 4, y value minus 138. Why am I giving this coordinate? To which I am giving, what is my sprite here? Pedal. Pedal is my sprite, right? Pedal is my sprite. I want this pedal coding here. Wait, it went away again. Okay, here it is. So what is happening? I have my pedal at what? X value 4 and y value minus 138. Yes? Let's set score to 0. As I said, we are preparing a game. So for that, we have to create a variable. You know what is variable? That is again a new thing today you are going to learn. Variable is like a container. You know, mama has a purse. In that she keeps money. So money is kept in that purse so that she can use it in future or at present. So same way, when you are creating a game, you have to create a variable. Variable is like a container. Now I am going to write something on board. You can try to write it in your books. This is the word what you are going to learn today, new thing. Variable. What is variable? Variable is like a container. Why do we use variables? Because when you want to create a game, no talking. When you want to create a game and you want to score a point. Now this game what we are going to create, this is going to set a score to 0. Right now at the start of the game, I want my score to be 0. Right? And variable what I am going to create, where am I going to get that variable? It will be, I am going to show you. It will be here. Can you see this variable tab here? Can you see this variable tab here? Yes? See, it's here. Yes. So you can see this variable. From there we are going to create a variable, and that also I am going to show you in the class. What is the next step? Let's have a look at it. I say show command. Why am I using show command? Show command will help my score to be seen on the platform. Now here, can you see the score here? Yes, everyone? Sit down, last bench. Sit, sit, sit. Yes. If I make that no, it's getting difficult for me to, because it will go to the next slide. Okay? I know, but then, okay, fine. Let's have a look at it. So what is happening when green flag clicked, go to x value 4, y value minus 138, set score to 0. From where am I getting that score? I'm getting it from variables. Variables, what do we say? Variables. Yes. Yes. Write it there. The concept what you are learning is variable. Why? Because you want to score. That's fine. It's okay. Not a problem. So now, yes.
What is the red line for?
Which one? This one? This is a backdrop. See here, we are going to see that this is like a border. If it is not touching pedal, no, then ball is going to touch the red line. It means your game is over. Are you getting it? When you want to score, you have to touch the pedal and bounce back. Right? If the pedal, so what you are going to do? Yes, tell me. You want the steps, you mean? I'm going to give you that also. What is the next thing here? See, this is little big coding, but this concept of if conditions we are going to do in the next class. But for today, how to create the sprite, how to customize the sprite. Did you understand that? Yes, you can just start writing. Go to Scratch, click on Start Creating. After that, you will start with the project. What is your project? It's about the bouncing ball game, right? So first, you will make the ball. First, you will try to customize two sprites, pedal and ball. Are you getting it? What steps I am saying? Remember these two things. We are going to create pedal and we are going to create a ball. These are the two sprites. After that, we want that ball to bounce and touch the pedal. And once it goes back, yes, tell me. Okay. So now I am going to show you everything on Scratch platform. Let's have a look at that without wasting much time. What happened? Okay, if you want to understand those concepts, I am going to quickly help you with that as well. See, let's have a quick revision for that. No talking, please. Okay, let's have a quick revision about it. So tell me, how many block palette do we have in Scratch? Can you count and tell me?
9.
Okay, and what are those? Motion, loop, sound, event, variables and my block. Okay, that's perfect. Motion is for giving movement to the sprite. What about looks? It is about appearance of your sprite. How you want your sprite to be, right? So in motion there are so many different steps. Move, turn. Do you know degree? Anyone? Okay, what do you know about degrees? You know this thing here? So here this is 90 degree straight way. This is 90. This is almost 180 and this is full. This is here 0, but if I say whole circle, that comes to 360 degree, right? When you will be at higher grades, you are going to learn about that as well. Now degrees are going to make your sprite move, rotate according to the degree what you give. Let's have a look at it. We already have a cat. Can you see that? If I am trying to change the rotation, just see, I'm changing the degree. Can you see the sprite moving?
Yes.
Okay. So till now, you know that this is called stage. This is called script area where we do coding. This is the place where you do coding. And what do we call that? Script area. This is called the play area. This is a stage where you get the output, whatever you do. And these are called block palette. Okay. These are costumes. In costumes, you have two options. Either you try to take your own sprite, you try to upload your own sprite, and backdrop. What is backdrop? Backdrop is, what do we call backdrop?
Background.
Background. No talking, first row. So backdrop is like a background. And why background is so important?
No, background is important because if we keep a character and we don't keep a background with it, so it doesn't make sense.
Absolutely. It will be blank, no? It won't be that fruitful, what we want exactly, right? So when you are creating any project, what are the few steps you have to keep in your mind? First,
Have a background.
no, before background also. For example, do you want to create a story or you want to create a game? Depending upon that, you are going to do a planning. Yes, tell me.
Then it should be a character.
Correct. So when you decide whether you want to go for a story or you want to go for a game, depending on that, you are going to select your sprite, right? You are going to select the background and then we will start with the coding. Okay. Now, so here these things, basic things are clear to you people. Now we will start with coding. Let's take one sprite. Let's have a look at the sprite, what we want to go for. Okay, tell me, what sprite should we go for?
Then ball. Then ball.
Ball? Okay.
A basketball.
Okay. Why you want to go for all? We want to go for a ball, right?
Tennis ball.
Okay. Wait. See, we have here also. That is too small. We can go for this one or yellow one. Okay, no more shouting. So we took the sprite, but background is not good, na? It's all blank. Let's go for the backdrop. What backdrop should we go for?
Basketball one.
Baseball. It's baseball. Where is basketball one? Here. Okay, let's go for that. Nice. Let's keep this here.
Ma'am, can you keep it near to the basket? Yes, ma'am.
You mean you want it here?
No, ma'am. Move it. Above the basket, and can you make the side of the ball?
Did you understand? Here we created ball. Here we have a basketball. And
We
now
don't know what to do in the coding part.
in the coding part, see, I told you, right? First thing is we'll use event. What will happen when green flag clicked? Okay, let's choose sprite from here only. We will take a ball from here. Okay, not wasting much time. We'll take the ball from here and that will be here. Okay. Yes, come.
And then the down line.
See, this is I am not showing you for the pedal one. I am showing you the different one because pedal one now it is not allowing me to move the coordinates. So here, what will be the first thing? When green flag clicked, what will be the thing? We are going to use motion. Let's move. Can you see this move command? Move 10 steps. Now for example, I am taking move 10 steps, but I want this thing to repeat.
So that's forever block.
Forever block will be going for infinite times till the time you don't use this red button. But when you are talking about repeat, it's going to move for certain steps. Let's have a look at it. Where are we going to find repeat? Control. Let's go and bring repeat 10 times. Now let's see what happens. What happened? The ball just yeah, it's going to the right. It should go. Yes. Why? Nothing happened. You can see. Okay, for example, my ball was here. Just imagine. It moved, but it moved only 10 steps. Why? Because we use repeat. Now the same thing, if I would have used forever block, what would have happened? Let's have a look at this. It didn't stop. It stopped here, but it went till the end. If I don't want that ball to go out of the screen, what will be the next block? Let's go to motion. Can you see something called if on edge? Let's bounce. If on edge, bounce. Can you see the ball moving from here to there? Yes? You can do that. See? Correct. Ping pong game, right? You can try to create a ping pong game also. When you go to Google, no, just try to search with that. Ping pong. Okay?